In life, many times we have to experience the feeling of hope and disappointment because of someone. The pain and hurt caused by betrayal make us feel miserable and resentful. So how to overcome this? The answer is forgiveness. Learn how to forgive to have a happy and more beautiful life. But why is it so hard for people to forgive others? When encountering hurt and betrayal, people often get stuck in a vicious circle. They believe that if they forgive, everything is considered as if nothing happened, so those people don't deserve to be forgiven or ignored. Another reason we find it difficult to forgive is our feelings of betrayal or being hurt again. If we forgive, injuries and pain can bring on feelings of resentment, bitterness, and anger for a long time. Sometimes you feel like a victim of what other people do. But do you think this makes you tired, stuck because of protecting you? Don't let that pain imprison you. Learn to forgive to enjoy a better and happier life. How to learn to forgive someone who has hurt you? Forgiveness is a state of mind that we can practice every day. Here are a few steps to help you start learning how to forgive and accept someone who has hurt you. Live for the present, ignore the past. To live better, we need to live for the present and let go of the past. If the memory is too tired, sad, and obstructs our vision, we will feel stuck. Practice removing negative emotions in simple ways like going outside to feel the beauty of nature, or just sitting quietly and feeling the breath. Let's do anything that makes you comfortable. Connect with your emotions. Feel and connect with your emotions, and accept what is coming. Don't blame anyone, and ask yourself how to get over and out of that emotion. Just doing a few things like going for a walk, feeling nature, chatting with relatives and friends, playing music, painting, and coloring is also a way to connect and feel your emotions. Regain life energy. As you choose to recover your life, remind yourself that you choose to forgive, even when the pain recurs. Love yourself more to let go of negative emotions and sad memories. Choose happiness and freedom to regain your life's energy right now. Change needs to come from deep inside. When you believe that life has joy, purpose, love, and meaning, it will be easier to forgive. Give and receive love. It can be difficult to forgive someone who has hurt you, but it's time to change and learn to forgive. Instead of criticizing them, love them. When you do this, both of you will no longer be in debt to each other, nor will you be bound by hurt and betrayal. Can't change the past, so we shouldn't let the past hold us back. Instead, learn from experience, and when you understand the problem, close the page of the past and turn the new page of your life. Learn from experience. Sometimes you'll think what happened was unfair to you, but it's part of life. If you open your heart to accept and overcome these difficult challenges, will make you stronger than ever. Overcoming difficulties is the catalyst that makes your life much more fresh and interesting. As we learn to forgive, we experience joy, peace, and hope. We have control over our own lives. Forgiveness feels liberating. Start to forgive now for a happier life.
Subscribe to continue listening to my English radio, where I will share interesting things from life. I love you. I'm Honey.